Good morning, students. Class 8. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today, I am going to teach you English grammar. Your topic is tense, and this is its part 9th. This time, try to understand what is past perfect continuous tense. Dear students, you know there is a name here, perfect and continuous. Name itself tells here that such tense of the verb tells us about perfectness and continuity also. I hope you all are well and ready with your pen and copy open before you to write the important points related to this kind of the tense. Just care here, if there is an English sentence, how can you identify that the written sentence belongs to this tense? For that, I give you clue. Write down, when we use the fourth form, means V4 of a main verb after the helping verb had been to tell about the continuity of an action being started at a certain time of past. It is known in past perfect continuous tense. Just care here, you have to take care here. If there is had been as helping verb and main verb in fourth form, that tells us that the work has been started at a certain time of past and still it is continue. It means this tense belongs to past perfect continuous tense. As for example, write down here, Raju had been playing football for 2 hours. We had been helping them since Monday, etc. Now write down how to identify for Hindi sentence. Just care here, if there is a Hindi sentence before you and you have to decide of which tense it belongs, then write down the clue how you can identify Hindi sentence. The sentence that ends with Hindi sound रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी, with time, is known as past perfect continuous tense, as वे लोग कई दिनों से यह काम कर रहे थे। सीता सुबह से गीत गा रही थी। रहा था, रही थी, with time, रहे थे, with time tells us that the sentence belongs to past perfect continuous tense. Now write down a structure how to create your own sentence. A structure for positive sentence. Write down first of all subject plus had plus been plus before plus object plus since or for plus time. This is the structure to write sentences in this very tense. And as I have stated you, at the time to make negative, note is used after only one helping verb. You have two helping verbs here, means after had and before been you have to use note. And at the time to make it interrogative, only one helping verb had is used before the subject of the sentence and the question mark is used at the end. Write down this also. Note, N-O-T-E, point first. Note is used after had and before been to make negative. Second point, write down to make interrogative had is used before the subject of the sentence. Next point, had is used with singular and plural both alike. Like this, I hope you have understood past perfect continuous tense and you will follow the rules at the time to make your sentence negative, interrogative and positive also. Thank you.